Hello friends, Katie here, and today's free flow, which is a blend of Qigong and EFT tapping, is all about nourishing your mind, body, and spirit. So if you're in the need of some nourishment, go ahead and find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. Hello, and let's begin. Let's start rubbing our hands together, creating some heat and friction. Join your fingers in the midline of your head and pull down to your ears, working all the way down to the back of your head. This is called opening the crown. So think about pulling open your crown chakra, letting all of those thoughts that are boggled up in your mind release. And doing this twice, so starting at the front and working your way to the back once more. Next, placing your hands over your ears, you're going to tap at the base of the skull. This is called beating on the heavenly drum and helps clear the mind and find your center. And with your fingertips, lightly tap up and down your face. And moving on to the ears, go ahead and pull on them, rub them, massage them, do whatever you can to help waken them up and bring blood in circulation. There are tons of reflex points on the ear. In fact, the entire body could be mapped out on the ear. So giving circulation, blood flow to the ears can help waken the entire body. Lightly tapping on the chest and working your way down the inside of the arm and back up. One more time, down the arm and back up, and moving to the other side. Gently tapping, not hurting yourself here, but waking up the body, the energy channels, getting everything moving and open. A little tap on the chest, on the lungs, and moving down to your belly. Waking up those internal organs, the digestive system, and tapping clockwise along your belly. And moving down the inside of the legs and coming back up the outside of the legs. One more time down the inside and outside. Now switching down the front of the legs and the back. Giving a little extra knock to your kidneys and coming back down and up. Again, as you come up, giving a few extra knocks to your kidneys and placing your hands over your feet just to ground you and push you into the earth. Coming back to center. Arms out with palms facing up. Rotate your head to the side, nodding up and down. It's going to help open up the chest, the arms. Remember, we have fascial lines that run all the way from our fingertips throughout our neck and chest. So everything that we do here is interconnected. We're opening all of that. Your head back to center and looking right and left. And coming to the opposite side and nodding again up and down. Being gentle with your neck, you don't want to pinch any of your vertebrae, so just being cautious of what you're doing and what feels best for you. Back to center, and again looking from side to side. Placing the hands now back. You'll get a different stretch here, nodding up and down. Even these small, simple moves give us a whole different dynamic and different stretch in our body. And we really want to open up the whole upper half of our body to be really connected to our mind and our spirit. And nodding up and down, again being cautious with the spine and the neck. Other side, up and down. And back to center, looking up and back to center. Relaxing your arms by your side, give yourself a little shake. Stepping out wider, placing one hand on top of the other, lifting them to the sky, stretching and rotating your arms up, and then gliding them in front of your body. Here we're opening up the spine, we're opening up the hips. And like I said earlier, everything is interconnected, so we are getting a stretch in our lower half, our legs as well. Bending at the knees as you sweep forward and straightening the legs as you come back. Arms staying pretty rigid. The movement is coming from the rotation of your hips. And switch directions. Inhale as you come back and up. And exhale as you sweep down. This is also really great for compressing and opening up our internal organs. So as we come forward, we're compressing the front organs, coming back, compressing the kidneys, and vice versa. As you come back, you're opening up those front organs, and as you come down, you're opening up the kidneys. One more time in this direction. And relax your arms by your side. And giving yourself once more a little shake, feeling nice and open. Coming into Wuji just for a breath. So feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in the knees, crown of the head pulled up towards the heavens, and the hands resting by your sides. Deep breath in. And exhale it out. And let's begin calling in our intentions, tapping where I tap and repeating after me. Tapping on the inner eye, I choose to take this time to nourish my mind, body, and spirit. Outer eye, releasing all energy blocks and negative thoughts that prevent me from enjoying this moment. Under eye, nourishing my mind by quieting my thoughts and coming into a place of calmness and relaxation. Upper lip, nourishing my body by releasing tension and bringing balance and harmony within. Chin, nourishing my spirit by connecting to the earth below me. And the heavens above. Collarbone, allowing breath, movement, and mindfulness keep me centered and aligned. Side of the body, using this practice to expand and grow every ounce of my being. Top of the head, feeling fully nourished in my mind, body, and spirit. Placing one hand on your heart, the other on your lower belly, taking a deep breath in. And a slow breath out. Stepping out wider, we're going to begin with a move called scooping up healing water. Inhale, scooping up. Exhaling, letting arms float down the front of the body, brushing down the inside of the legs. Inhaling, brushing up the back of the legs, all the way up as far as you can reach on the back. And exhale as you release your arms down. Envisioning you're reaching into the earth, scooping up water, bringing it up, pouring it onto your head, your face, letting it trickle down the front of your body, cleansing, and then scooping up the back, ridding of anything we no longer need, and letting it go. Using the healing power of water to cleanse out our body, cleanse out our energy pathways so that it can be fully nourished the way it needs to be. Almost like you're giving your body a nice flush with water, flushing out what is no longer needed and bringing in new energy, light, and nourishment. Inhale, scooping down, bringing that water overhead. Exhale as it rinses down the body. Inhale, coming back up. And exhale, letting it go. Scooping like you're digging into a river. Feeling the water rush over your body. As it's flushing through, it's collecting all the things you no longer need, almost like a shower drain. And you're just ridding of all the stuff stuck in the drain. Flushing the water through. And releasing all that we no longer need. All right, and give yourself a little shake. Placing your left hand along your lower back, bearing your weight on your left leg, stretching out your right leg, gliding your arm up the right side of the body, stretching it long, reaching down, gliding up the leg, and switching sides. Right arm behind the back, right leg bearing the weight, stretching long and tall. Exhaling, coming down, brushing up the leg, and switching sides. Stepping out as lightly and as gracefully as possible. The weight should all be bared on the leg with the arm behind your back. Exhale, coming down, and inhale as you come back up. Exhale to center. Inhale up. Exhale, stretching down, and inhale back to center. And exhale, switching sides. Inhale up, stretching as tall as you can. Folding forward to a limit that feels good for you. And back to center. And last time, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale back up. And exhale as you come back to center. Floating your hands into Wuji. Just resetting ourselves for a minute, taking a breath, moving on to gazing at the moon, turning from the hips, reaching the arms up, and coming back to center. Rotating to the opposite side, the direction that you go is where your weight is bearing on the leg. The other one can lift off the ground. If you want a deeper stretch, go ahead and plant that foot down into the ground, really reaching up and elongating the body. Inhaling as you turn and look up. And exhaling as you come back to center. We are so connected to the energy of the moon. The moon is what moves the tides in and out of the ocean. It is kind of the ruler of the water. And since we are made up of 60% water, the moon has a great effect on us. And as a woman, the moon can often correlate with our menstrual cycle. You can feel the power of the moon and how it nourishes and charges your body, your energy. As you're turning to the side, envisioning that full moon and all of its energy flowing into your body. Inhale as you stretch, and exhale back to center. Inhale, stretching, reaching, and exhale back to center. Placing both hands over your lower belly or your lower dantian. Standing here for a minute, feeling grounded, rooted into the earth. Feeling your body awake and nourished with energy, your mind clear and focused, and your spirit open and free. Allowing yourself just to be and focusing on your breath. Making small circular motions over your lower dantian, locking in that energy. Inhale in and exhale, let it go. I hope you guys enjoyed this practice. Please let me know in the comments, and I'll be back next week to share something new. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Also, check out opalroots.com for more information and fun and alternative ways to heal.